April 18th, 2022, here at John Wayne Airport, and I'm going to do a flight to Ramona today. It's a Monday, and everybody's at school or at work, so I'm going solo today. I'm going to try to capture the whole process here. So I just showed up to the airport and got to the airplane. I haven't contacted anybody yet. Air traffic control doesn't know I'm going to be here at this time. So the first thing we're going to do is get ATIS information, and then I'm going to call clearance, and that's going to be the first time that they're going to hear that I'm here. So no need to file a flight plan beforehand unless you want to, but this is a short flight and I'm over a populated area the whole time, so I'm going to skip on the flight plan, and that's it. So we'll get ATIS.
John Wayne Airport ATIS information, Charlie 17530. Wind calm. Visibility 10. Few clouds at 25,000. Temperature 2.11. Altimeter 3003. Remarks. AO2 sea level pressure 169er 102002013 580002. Visual approach is runway 20 right in use. Landing and departing runway 20 right and 20 left. Attention all aircraft. Hazardous weather information for Southern California available on flight service station frequencies. Notices to air missions. 5G NOTAMs in effect for...
Alright, now that we have ATIS, I'm going to call up clearance and get my clearance into this Charlie airspace so I can get out of here. I'm going to want to stay on flight following the whole time because it's Southern California and I like having air traffic control with me all the time. So we're going to call clearance and ask for a departure to Ramona. To prepare, I write craft down, so that's for clearance, route, altitude, frequency, that's going to be the departure frequency, and then T is for transponder. That's the order of information I'm going to get my clearance. So I'm just ready for it, and then we just read it back, and then they'll give us, they'll tell us to taxi when ready.
John Wayne clearance, Cessna 5364 kilo.
5364 kilo, John clearance.
I'd like a departure to Ramona. I'm in Southwest parking, Cessna 172 slant uniform. Cessna 5364 kilo.
64 kilo on departure, turn left heading 150. Maintain VFR at or below 2,400. Departure frequency 124.1 and squawk 0274.
Left heading 150 at or below 2,400, 124.1, squawk 0274, Cessna 5364 kilo.
This is 64 kilo, read back correct. Do you have information, Charlie?
Affirmative, have Charlie.
Thank you, ground 120.8.
Roger, thanks.
Alright, so everything's set. Put the squawk code in, I got my ground frequency set, and we're going to go pull the airplane out now and then call them back. Alright, we're back here now. I just pulled the plane out onto the taxiway center line, and I'm going to go through the checklist and get it started up. Depart!
Alright, I'm going to pull up to the line over here, and I'm going to call them and ask them for taxi to the tower run-up. Ground, Cessna 5364 kilo, southwest, parking, taxi to tower run-up.
American 28, Alpha to the gate, see ya.
Alpha to the gate, American 2880. Hey.
What's called?
Ground, Cessna 5364 kilo, southwest, parking, taxi to tower run-up.
5364 kilo, ground, Bravo, tower, abuse caution, will be a Cessna, opposite direction.
Alright, taxi via Bravo, and we'll look for opposite direction traffic. Cessna 64 kilo.
Alright, Delta 1085, hold short of Lima until company passes, then we're cleared in.
Ground, Cessna 5364 Kilo, tower run up, ready to continue taxi.
64 Kilo, runway 20 right, taxi via Bravo Kilo.
20 right via Bravo Kilo, Cessna 64 Kilo.
64 Kilo, monitor tower 126.8.
126.8. Busy day. Like I'm number 4 in line here. So he told me to monitor tower, which means don't contact the tower. So they'll come back to me when they're ready to talk to me. So I'm expecting he's going to cross me over the big runway, and we'll take off of 20 left.
2530, track 10 o'clock. Since that's a 4 and Alpha, traffic 6 mile funnels, the alert jet runway 20 right, full length, line up and wait. 20 right, full length, line up and wait, 41 Alpha. Addition, Golf Tango, track 4 mile funnel, a alert jet runway 20 right, full length, line up and wait, track go across downfield.
20 right, line for wait, I'll take a.
That's a 5364 Kilo, John Wayne Tower, traffic holding position at Kilo, cross runway 20 right, hold short, runway 20 left.
Crossing 20 right, hold short, 20 left at Kilo, Cessna 5364 Kilo.
8461, traffic 10 o'clock, 4 miles down for the parallel A, Cessna. Okay, 8461. Kinger 47 Whiskey, hold, where do you park? Clear Lake, 47 Whiskey. Kinger 47 Whiskey, turn right there at Golf without delay, contact ground 120.8. At Golf without delay, over to ground 47 Whiskey. Cessna 64 Kilo, monitor tower 119.9er.
119.9er, Cessna 64 Kilo.
Cessna 5364 Kilo, John Wayne Tower, runway 20 left at Kilo, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, runway 20 left at Kilo, Cessna 5364 Kilo.
Cessna 674, base turn, your discretion, runway 20 left, continue, traffic holding in position. Base turn at our discretion, 20 left, clear for the option, 674. Cessna 674, and runway 20 left, continue, traffic holding in position. Sorry, 674, continue, traffic holding in position. Cessna 5364 Kilo, traffic off departure, and left close traffic, keep them off your left side, runway 20 left at Kilo, clear for takeoff, traffic, Cessna a mile and a half, base.
Clear for takeoff 20 left, Cessna 5364 Kilo.
It's quickly at 5 mile 130.
Helicopter 156, number 2 following Cessna on a mile and a half, base over on the side.
Traffic inside, helicopter 156.
Cessna 5364 Kilo, ready to contact, maintain VFR below 2,400, altitude.
800 feet, Cessna 5364 Kilo.
Cessna 64 Kilo, contact SoCal departure.
Over to departure, Cessna 64 Kilo. SoCal departure, Cessna 5364 Kilo, 1,100, climbing 5,500.
54 Kilo, SoCal, is on navigation, climbs approved without 2 use climbing.
5,500, Cessna 5364 Kilo.
64 Kilo, approves the request, altimeter 3002, thank you.
Roger, Cessna 64 Kilo. Alright, well that was officially the busiest I've experienced on John Wayne. A lot of airplanes, a lot of waiting time, but we're on our way. Passing over Newport Beach right now. Climbing to 5,500 on an easterly route, so that's a good altitude for VFR. And I chose to go a little higher today because we got some tailwinds from the west. That'll help shorten the flight time.
To depart KO, heading 235, which will be a vector to funnel.
Depart KO, heading 235, 5 Delta Tango. Approach Southwest 784, 10-5, descending via the Disney, and we've got Delta.
74 SoCal, roger, expect the visual to 208.
20 right, Southwest 784.
Alright, approaching 5,500. Slowly trimming out here.
Number 64 Kilo, cutting approach on 127.3.
127.3, Cessna 64 Kilo. SoCal approach, Cessna 5364 Kilo, 5,500 feet southbound.
5364 Kilo, SoCal approach, roger, advise when you have weather information Tango for Ramona.
Alright, we'll advise. Can I get activity status on restricted 2503 Delta?
64 Kilo, 2,000 and below is active. Above that, you'll be okay along the shoreline. For now, just stay at 5,500.
Roger, Cessna 64 Kilo.
Approach Cessna 552 with Tango 3 Zulu.
290 and 10, visibility 10, sky clear, temperature 240.11, altimeter 3003, vision approaching news, landing and departing runway 27. Use caution for birds and coyotes. Advise on initial contact. You have ATIS information Tango.
Traffic, 2 more Bravo.
Number 64 Kilo, just stay along the shoreline for now. I'll call your turn inbound for Ramona.
Cessna 5364 Kilo, roger.
Cessna 64 Kilo, altitude's your discretion. Just stay at or above 3,500 actually for now. So at or above 35 for now, you can resume on navigation.
Cessna 5364 Kilo at or above 3,000, roger. A lot of people going into Ramona. That's what I'm hearing on the radio. Every other airplane is going into Ramona. Got Oceanside Airport right here, and Palomar right there.
November 64 Kilo, I can't remember if I think I did restrict you, but you can descend unrestricted now. No restrictions for Ramona.
Cessna 5364 Kilo, roger. I'm going to hang out here for a couple more minutes and then start my descent. Even though he told me to stay, that I can start my descent, there's no need to. I like staying up high. I did the math, and if I descended 500 feet per minute, I'm going to be too low by the time I get there, so I got a little bit of time to hang out up here. And I can see the airport, which is why I like to stay up high.
At 3,000.
Alright, I'll start my descent now. Something nice and gentle. Let's see, we got 6 minutes, and I need to drop 2,500 feet. Yeah, so a little less than 500 feet per minute.
Cessna 64 Kilo, stay on the code and contact Ramona Tower, 119.87, good day.
119.87, Cessna 64 Kilo. Ramona Tower, Cessna 5364 Kilo, 5,000 feet, Lake Hodges, inbound, touch and go, straight out departure.
Cessna 5364 Kilo, Ramona Tower, nice transmission, enter right downwind, runway 27, report to beam the tower.
Right downwind, runway 27, report to beam. Cessna 64 Kilo.
Cessna 64 Kilo, number 3, follow the Cessna midfield left downwind, runway 27, clear touch and go, then west departure approved.
Cessna 5364 Kilo, number 3, roger. Tower Cessna 5364 Kilo, I don't have the number 2 traffic in sight yet.
Cessna 64 Kilo, roger, I'll call the base turn if you don't get on there. Just about a mile to the east, wing up left base.
Looking for traffic, Cessna 64 Kilo.
So 64 Kilo, you can turn base.
64 Kilo, roger.
So 64 Kilo, use caution. There's traffic coming in from the due west. You're a little bit south of the inbound course now, which is good. So if you're going to turn right, do it after 4 miles. Frequency change approved.
Cessna 64 Kilo, roger. Yeah, I'll be making a right turn here towards Lake Hodges in a minute.
64 Kilo, roger. If you want to stay on my frequency, you can. Do you want to turn now? If so, I suggest heading 290 to get you across the departure path on the inbound path for 9.
Okay, I'll go ahead and do that right now. Cessna 64 Kilo, 290.
Roger. So 64 Kilo, you're across the path now. The traffic's about your 10 o'clock on a mile and a half eastbound. Cessna altitude indicates 3,400. Frequency change approved.
Cessna 64 Kilo, roger. Palomar Tower, Cessna 5364 Kilo, Lake Hodges, 3,900 feet inbound, touch and go, departure north along the shore.
What was the call sign? 536, is it 4 Kilo?
Affirmative.
5364 Kilo, Palomar Tower, straight in runway 24.
Straight in runway 24, Cessna 5364 Kilo.
November 64 Kilo, squawk 4262.
4262, Cessna 64 Kilo.
November 64 Kilo, turn directly northbound to intercept funnel.
Cessna 64 Kilo, roger.
November 64 Kilo, turn left towards the airport.
64 Kilo, roger.
November 64 Kilo, can you slow down?
64 Kilo, slow down.
And then 64 Kilo, what was your aircraft type again?
172 slant uniform, Cessna 64 Kilo.
64 Kilo, thank you. This is a Cessna at your 11 o'clock and 2 miles will be on base to final in front of you there.
Looking for traffic, Cessna 64 kilo.
64 kilo, 11 o'clock and a mile. Cessna turning straight to the numbers in front of you. 8 Sierra Papa, can you speed up a little bit?
Sure thing, you got it.
64 kilo, if you could slow down just a little bit more if unable to advise.
Yeah, Cessna 64 kilo, slowing down. Traffic in sight, you mind if I do some S-turns?
Yeah, this turn's fine. Zero Alpha, right down departure approved, runway 24, cleared for takeoff, traffic 2 mile final.
24 cleared for takeoff, 309 Delta.
5 November, 1 o'clock, 2 miles on a 2 mile final, Skyhawk 1200.
5 November, looking.
6 Alpha Foxtrot, did you want flight following to somewhere after your touch and go?
Negative, 216 Alpha Foxtrot. We're just going to head to the east to Ramona and then swing conserves Alpha. Thank you for the assistance.
No problem.
Tower Cessna 5364 kilo. I'll take that flight following to John Wayne if you can give it to me.
Stand by. Problem number 64 kilo, squawk 0205.
0205 Cessna 64 kilo.
November 64 kilo, contact SoCal departure.
Over to departure, Cessna 64 kilo. SoCal departure, Cessna 5364 kilo, 2,000 feet north along the coast out of Palomar.
November 5364 kilos, caliber, try that.
Say again, Cessna 64 kilo.
On navigation, contact Palomar Tower 118.6. Good day. Call nav over to Tower 0 Charlie.
Say again for Cessna 64 kilo.
Identity. November 64 kilo, your radar contact 3 miles west of Carlsbad, mirror mile altimeter 3003.
Cessna 64 kilo.
Sky 64 kilo, what altitude are you climbing to?
4,500, Cessna 64 kilo.
Cessna 64 kilo, roger, traffic's about 5 minutes ahead, opposite direction of Sirius at 5,000.
Looking for traffic, Cessna 64 kilo. Traffic in sight, Cessna 64 kilo, no factor.
64 kilo, right. Tag 64 kilo, contact approach 124.1, good day.
124.1, Cessna 64 kilo. Approach, Cessna 5364 kilo, 5,400, climbing 5,500.
5364 kilo, SoCal approach, altitude at your discretion to Signal Peak, John Wayne altimeter 3002.
Over to Signal Peak, roger, Cessna 5364 kilo.
John Wayne Airport ATIP information Foxtrot 19530. 250 at 6.
7,000 for 9,000 land.
Visibility 10. Clouds
31
at
Lima,
5,000.
continue right, actually,
Temperature 2.11. Altimeter 3002. Visual approach is runway 20 right in use. Landing and departing runway 20 right and 20 left.
November 5364 kilo, advising you have Foxtrot at John Wayne.
I have Foxtrot at John Wayne, Cessna 5364 kilo.
Thank you.
So I'm right over Camp Pendleton right now. I'm in the restricted airspace, 503 Delta, but the airspace is currently cold, which means you're allowed in it. If they tell you airspace is hot, gotta get out of there. There is a hot airspace below me up to 2,000 feet. It's a pretty cool airspace if you're ever driving up and down the 5 freeway.
Charlie Bravo, roger. What altitude are you looking for as a final?
Get to see Apaches and Ospreys, so they usually fly around here, right underneath.
Bravo, John Wayne altimeter.
But I didn't see anybody flying below me. So I can see the San Clemente Pier right here. The coastline continues up and makes that left turn, and there's a harbor right there. That's the Dana Point Harbor. Looks like 26 more minutes. Ground speed 92 knots, airspeed indicating 100. About what I expect. We do have the wind out of the west. flying northwest right now. I could have flown a little lower and got a little more ground speed, but I like altitude. Feels nice and safe up here. I can fly it all day long if I have to. I got an runway there. Lots of coastline here. Just about over the San Felipe.
5364 Kilo, why don't you go ahead and start a descent inbound to Signal Peak. There's going to be traffic going by via Skyhawk at 5,000.
64 Kilo, roger, I'll take it down to 3,000.
That works for me?
Well,
4.
I say I like altitude.
He's making it a race.
I jinxed it. Now they asked me to go down. Alright, stand by for view of Dana Point Harbor in 3, 2, 1.
5364 Kilo, you can contact John Wayne Tower, 126.8, good day.
126.8, Cessna 64 Kilo. Tower, Cessna 5364 Kilo, Signal Peak, inbound, full stop.
5364 Kilo, John Tower, make left traffic, runway 20 left.
Left traffic, runway 20 left, Cessna 5364 Kilo.
Cessna 64 Kilo, number 2, following stationary traffic, short final, runway 20 left, clear to land, caution wind turbulence, Boeing 737 departing.
20 left, clear to land, number 2, Cessna 64 Kilo.
Cessna 64 Kilo, turn base.
Cessna 64 Kilo is on base.
Cessna 64 Kilo, traffic 2.5 mile final for the parallel runways 8 Cherokee.
Cessna 64 Kilo, roger.
San Tower, jet speed 106 is a 7 mile final, 20 right.
Southwest 1928, contact Toga departure.
Good day, Southwest 1928.
Cessna 93 Juliet, caution wind turbulence, Boeing 737 depart ahead, runway 20 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 20 right, 93 Juliet.
Jet speed 106, your number 2, following a Cherokee, doing 100 knots on the 2 mile final, runway 20 right, clear to land.
20 right is cleared to land, and we are currently 130 knots, 106.
Cherokee 52 Delta, runway 20 right, clear to land.
20 right, clear to land, 5352 Delta. Wind check.
1390, John Wayne Tower at Lima, cross runway 20 left, hold short, runway 20 right.
Lima across, turn left, hold short, 20 right, Delta 1390.
Cessna. Cessna 64 Kilo, hold short, runway 20 right, remain this frequency.
Holding short 20 right, Cessna 64 Kilo.
Cessna 64 Kilo at hotel, cross runway 20 right, then contact ground.
At hotel, cross 20 right, over to ground, Cessna 64 Kilo. Ground, Cessna 5364 Kilo at hotel, taxi to southwest parking.
Cessna 5364 Kilo, John, taxi to Bravo to parking.
Bravo to parking, Cessna 64 Kilo.